Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you from the Leither Co. I got their Halloween sock set with the mug, and I got a mini skein Halloween set. So I thought I'd show those to you. So first, let's take a look at the mini skein set. So this is like really cute. So it comes with a card, and there it is. And comes in a bag, and here they are. They're called Potions and Spells, and they're on DK Tweed. Each skein is 49 yards, and look how pretty they are. Look at that. That's beautiful. Very neutral, another neutral, but a beautiful pop of green and purple, and of course the orange. So those are quite beautiful. I think they'll make a gorgeous cowl. I absolutely love that. That gray is kind of a steely blue gray. But there they are. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'll show you the label. And that's the mini skein set in DK Tweed. Potions and Spells. And of course it's by Leither. So that was the first, and then I got their sock set, which came packaged like this, and it's really adorable. And it comes with the card, and of course, with the cards on the back you have a code to download patterns. So there's a pattern set for this, and there's a pattern set for the sock set. So let's get it out of the bag so we can show you how it came. There it comes. It comes like this, and of course in the netting bag. So this is like so totally adorable. So in the back of it you have this organic hot cocoa mix for your mug, and you have this beautiful sock set. Look at the colors in that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those. Look at those purples. And there's a mini skein with it. That's beautiful. And it is a fingering weight. 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon. There is 400 yards in the main skein and 92 yards in the mini skein. But look at these. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. There's hints of green in there, dark purple. That's just really pretty. Absolutely. I love that. And of course, it's Leither. And let's take a look at the mug. So, there had to be a mug. Had to have a mug, and it says Witch's Brew, and it's got these details on it. And what's even better is it goes all the way around, and it is a good size mug. But I love that. Look at that. I love that black hat. Look at that. I love the fact that the design carries all the way around it, and it's not just on one side. So that's fantastic. It's a nice mug. I guess that's who makes it. But there it is. Here's the mug. So, the mug comes with the sock set and a pattern. And of course, you can't forget it had hot cocoa with it. Because you have to have something with your mug. And then of course we got the sock set, and of course each one comes with their own pattern. This comes with a cowl pattern. This one comes with a crocheted sock pattern. So these are spectacular. If you go and take a look at the Leither Co website, I think there's a few more left. I'm not 100% certain at the time of this video, but when I did last check, there was a few left. So go over and take a look. And keep your eyes out. I will be posting videos of my Halloween advent calendars. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning.